In this video, I'll show you how to connect Shopify payments to your Shopify account. Once you are in the Shopify dashboard, look over at the bottom left corner where you will be able to see the settings. Click on the settings button right here. And once you are in this page, look over the left side. Once you are into that, you'll find the payments, which is the fifth option right here. Click on it. And then you'll be redirected to this page. Now, this will differ from a person to another. Some countries do have Shopify payments and some don't have it. So, the way to activate it is all you're going to do is click on the complete account setup and then proceed with submit details. Once you're here, you will be required to enter some information about yourself, such as who's running the store, if you are an individual, if you are a registered business or a nonprofit, check out the box and then click on the next. Once you have done that, you'll be able to enter your personal information and then again click on next and then some other legal information. Once you have done all of those steps, you'll be able to use the Shopify payments. Thanks for watching.